Hello and welcome to FCHS Family Foodie. My name is Melanie and I am a nutrition educator with FCHS Rutgers Cooperative Extension. Today I have a wonderful recipe for a pasta with greens and beans. Okay, so to get started I have our ingredients. First we have 8 ounces of any pasta you can use. I chose penne. I have 10 ounces of frozen spinach. And it's important you want to keep your spinach frozen because it helps create a beautiful sauce at the end. I have a half cup of Parmesan cheese, a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes in juice, a 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, or white beans as they're also called. We have 3 tablespoons of garlic, but feel free to measure the garlic with your heart. If you want more or less, whatever you like. We also have a tablespoon of olive oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half of a teaspoon of pepper. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is cook the pasta according to the box directions and set that aside. And also while you're cooking your pasta, before you drain it, save a half of a cup of that cooking liquid because we're going to use it at the end to create a really yummy sauce for the pasta. All right, so let's get started with the cooking. First, we're going to add our oil to the pan. Let that heat up for a second. And then we're going to add our garlic. And this is going to make your kitchen smell delightful. So we're going to mix that around a little bit. It's already sizzling and smells great. We are going to add our spinach, our tomatoes, and our beans. So you want to mix that around and cook that for about 5 minutes. Just until the sauce gets a little bubbly and it all starts to cook together. All right, so our mixture's been cooking for a few minutes and you guys are gonna love this, right? Because this is all we're gonna do. We're gonna add our cooked pasta to the pot, along with your grated parm, and the salt and pepper. And then we're gonna mix it well. We have all our ingredients in the pot. Like I said, you want to reserve a half a cup of that cooking liquid. So we're just going to pour it in like that, and we're going to mix it together. And the starches in the cooking liquid are going to help the sauce stick to the pasta and create a really, really beautiful, beautiful flavor and texture. And there you have it. All right, now here is our finished dish. And as you can tell, it is beautiful. You have the frozen spinach, and if you wanted to substitute with fresh, you absolutely can. It would just be about 6 cups of fresh spinach. And to top this off, we are just going to tear some parsley. Or not parsley, I'm sorry, we're going to tear some basil. Just for a little color and a little added flavor. And there you have it. Here is my recipe for pasta with greens and beans. Thank you for watching. My name is Melanie, and please visit our FCHS Family Foodie YouTube channel.